Sa basketball, nakuha ng Taiwan Mustangs ang fourth leg title ng Asian Tournament matapos itong tambakan ng Zamboanga Valientes sa score na 146-100 sa Taipei Heping Basketball Gymnasium sa Taiwan. Yan ang ulat ni Ara Jane Flores.
Nasungkit ng Taiwan Mustangs ang titulo ng fourth leg ng The Asian Tournament nitong Huwebes ng gabi matapos nitong tambakan ng Zamboanga Valientes sa score na 146-100 sa Taipei Heping Basketball Gymnasium sa Taiwan. Pinangunahan ni two-time NBA champion Quinn Cook ang panalo ng Mustangs matapos nitong magpakawala ng 40 points at 10 rebounds. Sa isang eksklusibong panayam ng PTV Sports, hindi maitago ni head coach Chris Gavina ang kanyang tuwa sa kanilang matagumpay na kampanya.
I didn't know what to expect. I mean, I've never coached the NBA guy before, so man, they were so professional, like from Dwight, Boogie, Quinn. I mean, they're competitive guys. They're full of passion. We all know how Boogie is, but end of the day, man, they were just highly coachable.
Aminado din ng dating PBA coach na naging malaking hamon sa kanya ang pagmando sa tatlong NBA stars. Pero ikinagulat niya ang pinakitang professionalism nila Cook, DeMarcus Cousins at Dwight Howard.
Of our championship intentions by acquiring Dwight Howard, Boogie Cousins, and Quinn Cook, it's actually surreal for me. I still can't believe I was able to coach those three guys.
Muling sasabak ang Mustang sa Grand Finals ng torneo na gaganapin sa Zamboanga mula August 5 to August 12. Pero ayon kay Gavina, magiging malaking hamon nito lalo na't mawawala yung kanilang tatlong NBA reinforcements.
As far as I know, I know Quinn has already left last night to go to his next playing destination, and I think Boogie and Dwight fly out this morning. I'm sure that they'll find somebody that's going to represent Taiwan and the Mustangs to the best of their ability.
Ara Jane Flores para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.